Welcome back. Let's get another corporate conversation going. Balaji Amines has reported a weak set of earnings in Q3. Revenue growth was meager at 4%. Profits have declined by 17%, and margins have seen a very sharp fall. Margins, as you can see, have fallen from, these are the 9-month pictures, but if you compare Q3 margins versus Q3 FY23 margins versus the same time last year, you would see margins are at 22% versus 28%. So 600 basis points decline seen in the operating margins of Balaji Amines. We're now joined by the MD of the company, Ram Reddy, on the show now. Mr. Reddy, morning, and thanks so much for joining in. Rima here. First, if you could talk about the top line. Your 9-month revenue growth is 22%, but it's slowed down significantly. Q3 revenue growth is just 4%. We've spoken about headwinds in pharma API. How long do you think it will last? Is Q4 also going to be muted for you? Does it spill over into FY24? And what's causing this weakness?
See, this is because of the slowdown in the pharma API around the globe. I think we feel, if you see the consolidated basis, we have done 22% growth. We feel when you compare with the industry, we have done reasonably well. But this quarter still, we see a little slow continuously for this quarter also. Maybe end of the year, there should be some improvements according to our feelings, because of there are 2-3 reasons. One is there was a China problem, matching raw material problem. And there was a war. Still, the people, Europe has to come out of this war problems, because they're not getting, just now they started getting the gas sufficiently for the industry. Earlier, a lot of important products they close to manufacture. They've selected a few products only to produce because of the shortage of the gas. Now, going forward, we feel because of the sufficient gases is available for them from this quarter onwards, we feel that there should be some improvement in the end of the year. Maybe first quarter of the next year should come to the first or second quarter should come to the normal position.
Okay, Mr. Reddy, so give us some more clarity. One is this gas availability that starts clearing up, and that will obviously help the top line. Also, I believe you have some more capacity coming on stream. Is that also going to happen in the first quarter? By when? So just trying to understand how will the top line grow, say, the start of FY24 or first half of FY24?
See, we feel whatever is slowdown is temporary. There's a reason we have not stopped any expansion plans. The plan number 1, the methylamine plant, which is in execution level full swing. By second half of the next year, it will go into the full steam. And along with that, we received the environmental clearance for the many products. Like next product is the butylamines, which is again first time in the country, which goes in the majority into the pharma industry. And that will be coming up by end of the year, end of the next year. You will see these 2 projects. One is the methylamine and second is the butylamine. And after this, we have the lined up for the acetonitrile with the new technology, new thing, which may come year after the year. That is, I'm talking about the next 2 years plan. We have got the clearance for the dimethyl formide also. We have the presently 30,000 capacity. We are planning to add additional 30,000 tons capacity, subject to the market acceptance. As the country's consumption for this DMF is almost 90,000 tons today. The entire thing is met from the imports. We feel that these are the growth plans for the next 2 years.
Okay, Mr. Reddy, thanks for joining us. So this capacity that you're planning to add, can you tell us how you're planning to fund this? And also, what is the kind of potential that you see in terms of revenue, and how soon can we see it start flowing in from this added capacity?
See, as you know that our company is totally debt-free. As of now, we don't have any debt. And in fact, we are sitting on the surplus funds. So these expansions will be met from the entire internal accruals only. We are not raising any borrowings or any other way of fundraising. We will be doing entire thing by our own funds, internal accruals. And you will see these revenues partly for the next financial year maybe one quarter we will have the revenues from these two projects. But year after the next, then definitely you will see the minimum of 500 to 600 crores additional revenue from these two projects.
So just to clarify on that point, with the new projects coming on stream, gas availability improving, I think earlier you've told us that you are looking at revenues of around 4,000 crores in FY24. Do you stick by that guidance?
Not 24, it is FY25. Yes, we are. I'm still saying that after commissioning these four projects, yes, we are aiming to touch 4,000 crores in 2025.
Okay. So FY23, 9 months, you've done about 1,900 crores. Assuming you do a similar run rate as Q3, 550, 600 crores thereabout, you should get to 2,500 crore for FY23. What could FY24 look like?
See, FY23, we have guided around 2,400, but still we are ahead of 2,400. We'll be doing between 24 to 2,500 this year. And next year, 2024, it should be around 2,600 to 2,800.
Got it. And the year after, you're saying it should hit 4,000 with the help of your expanded capacity. Thank you very much, Mr. Reddy. Out of time.